Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add TicketBot to Discord server. First things first, you want to go to tickettool.xyz, then click on Invite Ticket Tool and add it to your chosen server. Then just authorize the bot by clicking Authorize. After that, confirm that the bot is added to your server, then go back to the website, click on Manage Servers, select your server, and if it doesn't show up, click Sync Service, click Manage below your server name. If you don't have a staff team role, create one on Discord, then enable the support team option on the website. Drag the role to the desired position and save changes. Create categories on Discords, for example, open tickets or closed tickets. Then arrange categories as needed. On the website, just refresh the page and select the categories, then click Save. You also want to create a channel on Discord for transcript, and on the website, just refresh the page and select the transcript channel. Click Rename and customize the panel. You can add emojis or even rename it. Just click Send to send the panel to the server. Ensure also that not everyone can see the open tickets and closed tickets categories. Lastly, check if the panel works by logging in with another account. Confirm that the closed tickets are visible in the respective channel. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.